Okay, are we all right here? You guys can see. Okay, so I just got called and I just felt that I needed to do a weekly message, and this is an energy for you to be working with. And if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer it. And this is really a time for us to have a conversation and a discussion on what it is. So at this point, I think there are many things that are happening around us, and for some strange reason, the message I've got right now, and I'm going to pull a couple of them cards out, is for you. It's so bizarre. I'm sorry. The card says guarded and protected. There are two ways of looking at this card, guys. Okay? One of the ways is please guard and protect yourselves. And this is the time for you to look after yourself and really, really be careful about what's happening around. The other thing to do is by putting the energy out of saying I am guarded and I am protected. Of course, now if you go running out to a party of 100 people and say I'm guarded and protected, that's obviously not going to be something that works. But I think just basically being able to be careful, but also give yourself the positive energy that you are guarded and you're protected. Because at the end of the day, when you think about it, what you think you do create. So if you think, oh my God, I'm so worried about this, you're creating the worry energy. But if you actually can sit and tell yourself, you know what, I'm being sensible, I'm looking after myself, I know I'm guarded and I'm protected, you know that's the energy that you're creating for yourself. I would suggest do it for yourself and your family members. All you need to do is just think about it. Just think about them and say, you know what, I'm guarded and I'm protected, and I'm really grateful for that. And decide to be happy about it. Because like I'm saying, it's what is the energy that you're actually putting out for yourself over there. When you decide that, and these are actually the two cards which have come for you today. One says guarded and protected. So through this week, it's really important for you to be happy. Does it show straight or does it show the other way around? I never know. Can you all read it? So these are the two cards which have come for the week. I'm wondering if anybody has a question about any of these cards. And if you do, just let me know. But basically, this is the message that's coming out to you very, very strongly right now. That show the other way. You know, the problem is the only way to show it. I don't know how else to show it. Seriously. But basically, so let me just explain it again. I guess it's coming the wrong way around for you all, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, if any of you want, I'm not going to send this in the group, but if any of you want personally, just message me and I will send you a photograph of the card. Yeah, I guess. So what I'm going to do is just, if any of you are interested, let me know and I'm happy to send this to you. Just WhatsApp me once we're done with the session and I will send you the photograph of this card. But the most important thing for you to remember during this week is stay guarded and protected. And as importantly, remember to put the energy out that you are guarded and you are protected. Who are you guarded and protected by? That's your belief. I may say the angels, I may say Lord Shiva, I may say divine, I may say Allah, I may say Vaiguruji, anybody. It's basically a divine energy that you have and that is guarding and protecting you. But believe in it and accept it and take in that energy for yourselves, really. And if you decide to be happy, you will be happy. Because you know what? We all know it. Happiness lies within us. So if you want to be happy, decide I'm going to be happy. You know, there's one thing I do a lot, and it's like, I mean, my kids laugh at me and my husband, but I think my husband's now kind of fed up, so he doesn't say anything. Thank God he isn't listening to this. But I actually have post-its all over my house. I'm going to take a photograph and show it to you. One day I'm going to take the phone around and show you my post-its everywhere. And I actually put the post-its up, and I always, the people I work with who will know this, I always say, put it up, put up messages for yourself. Because as you're walking around, you're reading them, and all you're doing is your subconscious is also seeing the messages. So just put the message out for yourself. You can just put a message out saying, I am happy, I am loved, I am safe. And it's actually a beautiful message for this week. I am happy, I am loved, I am safe. And if you want to make it more personal, you can say, I, Anjana, am happy. I, Anjana, am safe. I, Anjana, am loved. But you have to feel it. So feel it and first decide you're going to be happy. Write it down, feel it, believe it. And you will be happy. And you will be guarded and you will be protected. So that's my message for you all. Do any of you have any questions? If anybody has a question, I'm happy to answer it. Please let me know. I am just going to wait here and see if anybody has a particular message. You can ask me later. If there's anything else, let me know. Is there anything? Okay. So I guess then it's fine and everybody has received their message. If there's anything else, let me know, and keep this message with you in your heart. And through the week, remember, you're guarded, you're loved, and you're a happy person. And send that energy out. Have a gorgeous week. Thank you, Deepa, for being here. I'm going to do this every Monday for all of you. So every Monday at this time, you will get your message. And like I said, if there's a personal one, ask for it and you'll get it. But thank you all for being with me here today. For those who missed it, you can just watch it. I'm going to post it. Have a lovely, gorgeous week. A happy one. A safe one. And remember your messages. Lots and lots and lots of love. Take care. And see you all for chanting tomorrow. Bye.